Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a WhatsApp link. As we all know, people are getting lazy nowadays. Everyone is looking for an easy way to do things. Okay? So having a WhatsApp link will really be very helpful, especially to business owners, because with WhatsApp link, everything will be quick and easy. WhatsApp link allows for quick and direct communication, eliminating the need for users to manually type in a phone number. So that is why it is good for people to have WhatsApp link, especially business owners, to make life easier for their clients and customers. So without further ado, let us dive into the video. All right. To create this link, I'm going to use my notepad, but you can as well use Microsoft Word if you want, or any other software, any other document editing software. Okay, so let's head over to my notepad. Okay, here you type https://wa.me, another slash, then you enter your WhatsApp phone number and make sure that you include your country's dialing code without the plus sign. Do not put the plus sign. Okay, so let me enter my WhatsApp number now. All right, the link has been created. This is the link. Okay, so if you copy it now and share with anyone, once they click on the link, they will be directed to your WhatsApp immediately and they start chatting you directly. Okay, they start chatting you directly. Okay, let me try to open it. You will see it will take me to my WhatsApp straight. You see, so now I can start sending message to myself. Okay, all right, but one more thing, if you want to make it look more professional, like if you don't want people to see the number, your WhatsApp number, you just want them to see a website, a link, you just want them to see a link, you can use a Bitly. You can go to Bitly and shorten it, okay, so that when you share the link, nobody will see the phone number. They will just see a link, with a title, WhatsApp. You can just give it a title, my WhatsApp. Once they click the link, it will take them to your WhatsApp and they start sending you messages. Okay, you know what, let us, because I believe in practical, so let's practicalize what I just said now. Let's go and copy the link we just created. This is the link. Copy. Okay, so let me go to Bitly. I already opened it. This is Bitly. All right, so this is Bitly, bitly.com. Okay, so when you are here, you just click create a link, then here destination, you will paste the WhatsApp link you created. Let me paste my own here, then I can give it a title. Let me just say my WhatsApp. Okay, then hit enter when you are done. So it will create a link. Yeah, link has been created. As you can see, your link is ready. Okay, so you can now click copy link and share it, start sharing it with the people. Okay, but let me hit the let me click on the link and see if it will take me to my WhatsApp, just for you to confirm what I'm saying. All right. So let's click on it and see. Here we go. You see, it has directed me to my WhatsApp. Then I can start sending messages to myself. All right. So anyone with that link can chat you directly. So when you copy the link and send to anyone, okay, let me try to send to myself. Paste it here. You see, look at it here. Then I send. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so if the person click on it, it will start chatting you. As you can see, look at the link now. My phone number is not showing. It's just showing a link, so nobody can see the phone number. So if you have a business and you want to include your WhatsApp there, and you don't want your number to be public, you want to include your WhatsApp on your website or a business, whatever, but you don't want your number to show there. When you create the link, your WhatsApp link, you can use Bitly to hide your number. Okay, so if anyone clicks on your link, the person will be directed to your WhatsApp. Okay, the person will start chatting you, and that is the easiest way to chat people on WhatsApp. Instead of copying their phone number and going to look for them on WhatsApp or going to search them on WhatsApp, they can easily click on your link and directly they will find themselves on your WhatsApp and they start chatting you. So guys, that is the easiest way to create WhatsApp link. I hope you find this video helpful. And if I have added value to your life, please support me by hitting the subscribe button, like my video, and share the video with your friends. Thank you, and see you in the next one.